With a teacher.
The bathroom mystery. Zeynep sleeps in her warm bed. It is very quiet. Suddenly, drip drop, drip drop. She opens her eyes. "What is that sound?" she says. She gets out of bed. She is a little scared, but also curious. She walks slowly to the bathroom. She sees the mirror, nobody there. She looks at the toothbrush and toothpaste, all quiet. She checks the shampoo and soap. Nothing moves. She sees the toilet. It looks sleepy too. The towel hangs on the wall, soft and dry. She looks at the shower and bath. No sound. Then she looks at the sink. Drip, drop, drip, drop. "Oh," says Zeynep, "the water is not off." She turns off the tap. Now it is quiet again. Zeynep smiles. "It is only water," she says. She walks back to her bed. She feels brave. She sleeps again with a big smile. The bathroom mystery is solved.
With a teacher.